Today we are going to discuss Graphical User Interface or GUI. GUI is a visual way of interacting with a computer using items such as windows, icons, menus used by most modern operating systems. Then what is Graphical User Interface? It's a form of user interface that allows users to interact with electronic devices through graphical icons instead of text-based user interfaces. Actions in a GUI are usually performed through direct manipulation of the graphical elements. Beyond computers, GUIs are used in many household mobile devices such as MP3 players, portable media players, gaming devices, smartphones, etc. Human interface devices for the efficient interaction with a GUI include a computer keyboard, especially used together with a keyboard shortcut, pointing devices for the cursor control, mouse pointing stick, touchpad, etc. Now we can discuss on graphical user interface elements or GUI elements. GUI elements offers a consistent visual language to represent information stored in computers. It make it easier for people with a few computer skills. Frames. Frame, also called group box, is a type of box within which a collection of graphical control elements can be grouped as a way to show relationships visually, either because the items are functionally related or because they apply to related objects. The next one is windows. A window is an area on the screen that displays information, with its contents being displayed independently from the rest of the screen. Example of a window is what appears on the screen when the My Document icon is clicked in the Windows operating system. It is very easy for a user to manipulate a window. It can be shown and hidden by clicking on an icon or application. It can be moved to any area by dragging it. Window can be placed in front or behind another window. Its size can be adjusted and scroll bars can be used to navigate the sections within it. There are different types of specialized windows. Um, Container window, browser window, text terminal window, child windows, message window are some of them. The next one is label. It's a label. It's a graphical control element which displays text on a form. It's usually a static control having no interactivity. It is generally used to identify a nearby text box or other widget. The next one, text box. Text box, text field or text entry box, all are same. It's a control element of a GUI. It should enable the user to input text information to be used by a program. Non-editable text box can serve the purpose of simply displaying text. Then text fields. Text fields allow users to enter text. It can allow either a single line or multiple line of text. The next one is buttons. Button indicates an action upon touch and is typically labeled using text, an icon or both. Combo box. Combo box is commonly used graphical user interface widget. Traditionally, it is a combination of drop-down list or list box and a single-line editable text box. It allows the users to either type a value directly or select a value from the list. Next one is menu. Menu allows users to execute commands by selecting from a list of choices. Options are selected with a mouse or other pointing devices within a GUI. A keyboard may also be used. Menus are convenient because they show that commands are available within the software. A menu bar is displayed horizontally across the top of the screen or along the tops of some or all windows. A menu has a visible title within the menu bar. Its contents are only revealed when the user selects it with a pointer. Next one, radio button. Radio buttons are used to allow users to select one item at a time. Selecting a new item from the groups button also deselects the previously selected button. Now we can discuss on the advantages and disadvantages of GUI. The major advantages are actions are reversible. GUI is very easy to learn and is easy for illiterate people also. Simpler to transfer information, sir. The major disadvantages are it's difficulty to develop. It's very expensive, greater design complexity, and it's time consuming. Thank you.